I don't got time to be here, man. If you can, just do your job or do whatever you're doing or something, man. But I don't really care what you do, man. It's not
I'd love to do my job, but part of my
not my
job is
job,
making
dog.
sure.
It's not my fucking job, all right? I don't give a fuck what you look like. You know what I'm saying? Your job is.
We've got two wild court hearings for you today, and both are insane. First up, there's a defendant who completely loses control, starts cussing at the judge, and acting like they can do whatever they want in court. But here's the thing. Judges have the power to hold people in contempt when they're disrespected, and this judge does not hold back. Was the judge fair? Or did the defendant just take things way too far? Let me know what you think in the comments. But first, let's check out this crazy moment.
Good afternoon. My name is Walt Weaver. I'm the judge of Potter County Court of Law number 1. I'm going to be hearing your case today. I've reviewed your plea papers, Mr. Rico. It appears to me you're ready to waive all your constitutional rights in exchange for a plea bargain agreement. But you do have an absolute constitutional right to appear in my open courtroom and face your accusers. Or you could also choose not to use that right as well and agree to appear by video. Are you agreeing to appear by video?
If I can, man, you can just like figure it out in court and I guess.
Are you saying you don't want to do this on video?
I'm not trying to be in court hearing and doing stuff on here. I just ain't got time.
Mr. Rico, it's real simple.
I don't got time to be here, man. If you can, just do your job or do whatever you're doing or something, man. But I don't really care what you do, man.
I'd love to do my job, but part of my job.
Not my job, dog. It's not my fucking job, all right? I don't give a fuck what you look like. You know what I'm saying? Your job is gay.
I'm going to hold you in contempt.
Hey, bro, I don't give a fuck what you talking about, man. All right? I don't give a fuck what you talking about, man.
Bye.
So, dude, get a job. You get free go.
Well, do we need to preserve this as evidence now since that's resisting? All right, don't delete the YouTube video. That's unfortunate. Hey, Ethan. Keep them coming, man.
I apologize, Your Honor.
Oh, it's not your fault. That's part of our part and parcel. Boy, he's so little, and look how much people he's got. Could you please put him, Miss Morris, on a transport next time so we can get it done? Boy, if that's not the funnest name I've said all day. Man, it's too bad Mr. Rico could have gone home today. He decided he'd rather stay.
He might have got a new prosecutor today.
Well, it's all live. You saw him.
Yeah, that didn't go well for Mr. Rico. I honestly don't know what he was thinking coming into this hearing. Like, bro, you can't just curse out a judge and expect to walk away fine. He clearly wasn't thinking straight. Maybe he's not all there mentally, because no sane person believes that would end well. Judges don't just let people walk all over them, especially when they're being disrespected like that. This was one of the wildest hearings I've seen in a long time. Usually people pull the Sovereign Citizen Act, but this guy just went straight for chaos. Anyway, the next hearing might be even worse. This one's intense. The guy literally confesses to something shocking right in front of the judge. Let's get into it.
Briggs, you're before the court today making first appearance, Raymond, on 2 charges. The first is malicious mischief in the 3rd degree. It's a gross misdemeanor subject to 364 days in jail and a $5,000 fine. Second is harassment, domestic violence. That's also a gross misdemeanor subject to 364 days in jail and a $5,000 fine. Because the charges have domestic violence enhancements, they are something where if you're convicted of them, it would result in your inability to possess firearms.
I don't own a firearm. That's what I told
Again, I have to let everybody know whether you have guns or not.
So I was denied due process. I have paperwork that proves that I owned the car before I was married. So therefore the car is mine. And since we're in separation, no judge has divided property yet. So technically the car is still mine. So I wrote on my own car. That's a fact. Here's the paperwork. I sit down at the bank
Today.
Well,
we're having your arraignment.
Okay.
You're entering a not guilty plea.
I was denied due process, sir.
Hold on.
You said I could speak.
No, I didn't. I said you should exercise your right to remain silent.
I choose not to, sir.
Your attorney, if they were sitting there, would not have you making factual statements on the record.
That's my discretion, sir. because I believe there's Fourth Amendment charges. I was denied all kinds of rights, and I will be coming back with a vengeance. I have
Are you
paperwork.
threatening the court?
I am not threatening the court anything. I'm not threatening anybody. I have the right to sue. I have the right. I have the right to sue this city, and that's what I just said. So if you want to take that farther than that, that's up to you. I did not say that. I'm
You
making
said
it
you are
clear.
coming back with a vengeance.
With an attorney. It
On
doesn't
the
have anything to do with me. That's not a threat to you. The city. I said I'm suing the city. So you do what you want today. Go ahead and hold me in contempt. Go ahead. I'm suing the city. I will be suing the city. If you will take that as a threat, then that's fine. I will be talking to the city attorney. I've already talked to the city. I'm talking to people. I talked to the police chief already.
Yeah, I've seen how you've conducted yourself. so
Yeah,
far.
that's right. Because I'm being wronged. It's my house. She had no business being there, and she hasn't even lived there for 6 months. She hasn't paid a bill for 8 months. She can't just come there. I have rights.
You do?
Just because she's entitled to
So
be
again,
able to be on the
we've
property
talked
doesn't mean
about-
she can just come.
We've discussed your rights today. We're not going to litigate your case today.
Do I have the option to
This is-
speak with the city attorney as
This is a
well?
criminal court.
Do I have the option to speak with the city
Not once
attorney?
you say you're going to be hiring an attorney.
Do I have the option to speak with the city attorney? I'm not hiring an
Not
attorney.
today.
I want to speak with the city attorney.
Not today.
Okay, when would I be able to do that?
That's me, sir, and I will give you my card.
Okay,
But we do have some release conditions we will be requesting.
Okay. Go ahead, Ms. Carmen.
Yes, Your Honor. We are requesting a formal no contact order with victim notification.
I should have been.
So, what do you guys think so far? Do you believe this guy's story? Or is he just a domestic abuser trying to talk his way out of trouble? Personally, I get a super arrogant vibe from him. He's trying to act confident, like that's going to save him or something, but spoiler alert, it won't. He's about to confess to something really bad, and the judge's reaction is priceless. Like, what is this guy even thinking? Seriously, I keep asking myself, do we really have this many people in the US who think they can out-talk a judge instead of getting a lawyer? Just look at the judge's face. You can see he's done with this guy. All right, let's get back into it.
All right, go ahead.
The facts of this case are highly concerning with regard to the threats that were made. These folks are in the midst of a dissolution. Statistically, through peer-reviewed literature, that is one of the highest risk times for partners who are splitting for domestic
Well, what about the
violence.
time I got punched in the chest 5 times? Nobody did anything about that, and I reported it to the officer. Upon arrest, I told him 2.5 months ago, I've been punched in the chest. I will take a lie detector test for that and pay for it. And I received nothing.
The city attorney's making her release recommendation. You need to let her finish.
I was denied due process. You guys didn't take my complaint. So you didn't even take my complaint. And then you don't want me to call it racism. You didn't even take my complaint.
The only thing we are doing today, sir, is you have entered a not
Well, there
guilty
should be
plea.
equal treatment under the law, and I have not
You're not
received it.
litigating your case today. I've already told you that. You've seen every other person come up here. I've entered not guilty pleas. I've set
Well, I
release
want to put this in the record is,
Sign-
can I give this to the attorney so she can follow up on this? This is my proof that the car is mine. I don't go to her. I am at my house. She came to me. I never go to her. So why is the order
Please-
against me when I don't
please
even deal with her?
Please let the city attorney finish her recommendation. So we're walking on a very fine line right here with your conduct in court today.
Okay, I'll stop. Sorry.
Thank you.
I don't even go to Oregon, sir.
I will
She lives in
add,
Oregon.
I will add, because Mr. Briggs has brought it up, we are not seeking to remove him from the home that he is residing in.
How you gonna, she don't even live there. Are you kidding me? She doesn't live there. I paid the mortgage there for the last 4 years I paid the mortgage, and I can prove that.
Mr. Briggs.
You're gonna remove me from my home? What are you talking
She's
about?
saying she is not.
Why are you even saying that?
Because
She don't live there. Her address is in Oregon.
The more this guy talks, the more obvious it is. He desperately needs a lawyer. He has no idea what's going on, and you can tell the judge is getting frustrated. Like, dude, if you're going to defend yourself, at least understand what's happening. Do you think he's mentally unstable or just pretending to get sympathy? I honestly can't tell. Anyway, back to the hearing, things are about to get insane. The victim wants to collect her belongings from the house, but the man starts arguing that she doesn't live there anymore. He even says she's possessed by a Jezebel spirit and that being near her makes him sick. Then he starts rambling about how she left months ago and hasn't paid bills since. Everything's messy, but then he says something that completely ruins his case. I'm trying not to kill her.
Yeah.
He actually said that. At that moment, you can see the judge's patience disappear. Like, who says that in court? He basically confessed to violent thoughts in front of everyone. Whatever defense he had.
Gone.
He keeps arguing, saying it's freedom of speech, but it's too late. The judge orders him into custody. Then he starts yelling about racism, claiming he never hurt her and that he wants to press charges on her instead. He even starts shouting about how he's coming with Trump, whatever that means, and the judge finally sets his bail at $225,000. Honestly, that might be one of the dumbest things I've ever seen in a courtroom. This man literally confessed to thinking about hurting his ex, on record, and then acted shocked when he got arrested. Like, how clueless can you be? If he had just stayed quiet and let a lawyer speak, maybe things wouldn't have gotten this bad. But instead, he dug his own grave. Live in court. What do you guys think? Was he completely clueless? Or did he do it on purpose? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this breakdown and want to see more crazy courtroom moments, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.